Welcome back. Eyeing the upcoming local body polls and the 2024 national elections, there has been a major organizational reshuffle in the TMC. And the decision that is attracting maximum attention is the elevation of TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee as party's National General Secretary. BJP is calling this dynastic succession, and the TMC, however, has hit back, saying that Abhishek Banerjee is a deserving candidate. Let's open this up and go across to our guest. Aparajita Sarangi continues to be with us. We also have Riju Datta, spokesperson of the TMC. Good evening to both of you. Mr. Riju Datta, BJP says this is Bua Bhatijawad.
I just want to say, dynasty cannot be
a qualification, neither it can be a disqualification. If BJP is so against it, then why don't they bring a bill in the parliament that blood relatives cannot come into politics? And I am telling you on national channel that TMC will support it. Why don't they bring it? They have also shelved the women's reservation bill. And my point is, if they talk about dynasty politics, then let me also remind them, what about Piyush Goyal, Anurag Thakur, Jay Shah, Kiren Rijiju? See, BJP are the flag bearers of nepotism, and then they will lecture us on the same. And regarding Abhishek Banerjee, he came in to the politics. He was given the most difficult seat in Diamond Harbour. First year he won with 70,000, next year with 3,30,000. So he earned his position. He was the only person apart from Mamata Banerjee who ran the length and breadth of the state during the Bengal elections, and he campaigned and he proved himself with the result. How can you challenge him? So if BJP has to say something first, they should look introspect, and people who live in glass houses should not throw stones at others.
Aparajita Sarangi, respond to that. TMC is saying that Abhishek Banerjee has proved himself time and again, and he has earned the position that the party has given him. The party has rewarded him for his performance. There are several such cases of dynastic succession or parivarvad in the BJP as well. How do you counter that?
I would like to say two things. Number one, this is the internal matter of TMC, the Trinamool Congress, and I don't think we would like to spend too much of time on which Tom, Dick and Harry has been appointed as the National General Secretary. I don't think we have time enough for that. The second thing I would definitely like to say, what my colleagues in the party have said, I would reiterate that this is dynastic politics at its best. See, there are hundreds of workers in the TMC, very committed workers, who have assured the victory of the TMC in the assembly elections. They have ensured the victory. However, not actually taking into cognizance their efforts, not actually rewarding them for whatever they have done. Bua has gone for the Bhatija. So this is definitely dynasty politics at its best. You have to reward all. You have to reward others also. You pick up the talent. You pick up the talent from within, and then you reward them.
This is TMC's internal matter. Then why are BJP netas calling this dynastic succession? Then why does this unsettle the BJP if this is TMC's internal matter?
See, this is just a statement from our side, but yes, I would reiterate that this is the internal matter of TMC, and any Tom and Dick and Harry can be made the National General Secretary. I say it once again. However, if you really ask for my opinion,
Amit Malviya slammed
the
opinion,
I would definitely say
saying
this.
Dynastic succession. Aparajita Sarangi has a very different view. She says this is your party's internal matter. But I'm going by what Amit Malviya said, and many BJP leaders are saying. They're saying that Abhishek Banerjee has benefited, or he has been given this top post. He is second in command now after Mamata Banerjee, is only because he's Mamata Banerjee's nephew.
See, I do not want to give too much importance to Mr. Amit Malviya and his 2 rupees army, because all he does is spread lies. But if you talk about somebody earning their place, then I think everybody should look at the track record of Abhishek Banerjee. And again, I will say that first, he was given the most difficult seat of Diamond Harbour, which he won by 70,000 votes. Next, in 2019, he won it by 3,30,000 votes. And if you go by the votes that the Trinamool Congress have got from Diamond Harbour constituency in 2021 elections, it is more than 4 lakhs.
not from Mamata Banerjee, the only leader who traveled the length and breadth of this state during the Bengal election was Abhishek Banerjee, and he's proved himself with the result. 213 Trinamool Congress, 75 BJP.
Are there not other candidates who performed this better? Is Abhishek Banerjee the only candidate? That's what BJP is asking you, and they are saying
I'm going to
that
tell you this.
there are several such people in the TMC who've been working really hard, but Abhishek Banerjee gets the post because there is a connection.
Do you or BJP know that there is a resolution that has been passed yesterday by the party? The resolution is one party, one man, one post. That means everybody who has worked hard and faced this battle together will be given a post. And that is how we look after the people. But if you compare, there is nobody who has worked harder than Abhishek Banerjee during the Bengal election. And he has proved his mettle, he has earned it, and people of Bengal have accepted him. And why does BJP submit their flavor of the season? The Adhikari family, which is the definition of one Swaraj,
Right.
and the BJP being the flag bearer of nepotism should look into that.
They've only recently joined the BJP. He is your leader of opposition in West Bengal, Ms. Sarangi. Respond to that.
See, I can only say that I hope the TMC workers down the line have understood that Mamata Banerjee has chosen her successor. So whatever they may do for the party, for ensuring her rule, the continuity of her rule, I think they have all been fooled. And Abhishek Banerjee is climbing up the ladder, has climbed up the ladder, and he is going to take on the mantle after Mamata Banerjee ji. This is amply clear. As far as Shubhendu Banerjee is concerned, Shubhendu
All right.
Adhikari is concerned, Shubhendu Adhikari has earned this place. You know, Shubhendu Adhikari has won Nandigram.
That
Let
is
us
very
not
interesting.
bring
You
in
think
Shubhendu
Shubhendu
Adhikari
Adhikari has
every
earned the
time.
place, but not Abhishek Banerjee. But not Abhishek Banerjee. You're also saying this is an internal matter of the TMC. So I think then in that case, if you've taken that position, I think we should let
Both
the
the things.
TMC workers
Both the
and
things.
leaders take a decision on this, on whether they think that Mamata Banerjee
We
has
do
already
not
chosen
want to
her
spend-
successor, and just because he's Mamata Banerjee's nephew, that's why he's been rewarded. I think in that case, let's wait to see how the TMC leaders react. Thank you very much, Ritu Datta, and thank you to Ms. Sarangi for joining us in the broadcast.